In the workplace, where people are constantly on the move, safety is a core value. One critical aspect of safety in the workplace is handrail safety. It's not just about gripping a railing as you climb stairs, it's a fundamental element that can make the difference between a smooth workday and an unexpected injury. Handrails aren't just there for decoration, they play a crucial role in keeping us safe, offering support and stability as you navigate stairs or elevated surfaces. The primary purpose is to prevent accidents and falls, acting as a barrier between you and a potential trip to the ground. In the grand scheme of workplace safety, handrails are not just a suggestion, they're a requirement. Various regulatory bodies, such as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, have set standards to ensure that workplaces adhere to specific safety measures, including the installation and maintenance of handrails. Local building codes also contribute to these standards, ensuring that handrails are not only present, but are of the right material and design. Stairway injuries are the second leading cause of injury every year, behind motor vehicle accidents. According to statistics, over 1 million people a year are injured by falling downstairs, with about 12,000 of those falls being fatal. These incidents not only impact the individuals involved, but also have broader implications for employers and organizations. The financial toll of medical costs and workers' compensation claims can be substantial, affecting the bottom line. Beyond the numbers, there's a human element to consider. Each injury represents a person facing pain, recovery, and potential challenges in returning to work. Welcome to the Handrail Safety course. During this training, we will cover the following learning objectives. Purpose of handrails, handrail safety, stairway safety, falls in the workplace,